All right, everybody, it's finally here. The Nomatic and Peter Mckinnon Everyday Carry Bag. We backed it on Kickstarter. It's almost been a full year, but it's finally here. Let's check it out. All right, this is going to be a quick down and dirty video. We're gonna unbox a little bit of this and check it out. You know, Peter is really big on packages, so you have, you know, the Fly the Flag logo. You also have his autograph times Nomatic. As you can tell, or not, that this box is it's a little beat up. It's made its way from across the world. First impression, we have our beautiful bag here. Go ahead and unzip this. And we unveil the beauty, the bag that we've all been waiting for. First impression, it looks great. Looks freaking fantastic. For the top part, I have my tech organizer, which is perfect that it came. Some people are having issues. So I can put like a little mini action camera, just different batteries, all that great stuff. So a quick down and dirty, just to kind of get into it, the top part. Boom, I'm gonna zip this back on up. I'm actually gonna take it out today and use it and check it out. And what do we have? The Holy Grail. Boom. We have our bag here. Yeah, you flap to get back into your top part, or to tuck it back in if you like. You have your removable cubes. I offered for these two smaller cubes, in case depending on my setup, if I want something real small and I'm just traveling, I want extra clothes or and whatnot. I got it enough for everything that I put in here. We have our beautiful strap that goes onto the side to help secure if you're holding a gimbal or a tripod on the outside flaps that we had just discussed. It looks great.